Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find your saved jobs, which you have found and saved on Indeed. So let's get right into it, but before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is. And Indeed is basically pretty similar to LinkedIn in the sense that it is an application slash web service, which you can use to either be a job seeker and find jobs to which you can apply based on certain keywords or location, or even the specific company where you want to work, or you can be an employer where you can put up job postings to which candidates will apply, and you can much more easily manage them using Indeed's own in-app managing system than you would as a standard employing, well, pretty much practice, I guess you could say. But yeah, as I've said, I will be teaching you how to find your own saved jobs, so let's get right into it. And what saved jobs are basically jobs that you have seen, which you are interested in, but you didn't apply to them, but you saved them, pretty much like you would save a post on, I don't know, Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so forth, where they are in your own personal repository so that you can check them out later. And yeah, for example, I'll just find a job quickly, let's say hiring immediately, and just search for it. And for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say the first one, I'll just go and click on save, and as you can see, it is moved to saved. To locate those saved jobs, what you want to do is click on this silhouette type icon, then go to my jobs, and once you're here, just go to saved, which will automatically open, and you can see all your saved jobs. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.